I have clients like these who are paying me $297 every single month, and they have been paying me from 30th of August 2024, and the last payment I got was a couple of days ago, March 3rd, 2026. And I have 80 clients just like these inside my agency, which is bringing in £12,000 or $16,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And it's not just working for me, it's also working for people just like you who don't have any experience on building a website, setting up the automation, or getting clients. So if you're brand new to this business, you can still get clients. Getting straight to the point, this is how I make £12,000 or $16,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And this is the business model we're gonna see in this video. We're going to look for businesses who don't have a website and give them a free website. And in exchange of the website, we're going to sign them up with the hosting fees, which they have to pay anyway. Even if you get a free website or a paid website, hosting fees is non-negotiable. And that's where we can charge them $97, $297, or $497 on hosting fee. Or you can upsell the 5-page website by pitching the free website. Yes, if you pitch a free website, you get lots of booked meetings. And if you have lots of booked meetings, you can upsell more clients. And when you have upsell more clients, there's a higher probability of you closing at least, if you have 10 different bookings, you can at least close 2 to 3 upsell clients for $1,000 setup fees. And rest of the clients, you can just give them a free website and charge them the $97 hosting fee. And no, you don't have to build everything from scratch. The free website, it comes straight from the template, and setting these up is just going to take you 5 to 10 minutes with their name, logo, and images on these templates, which I'm going to show you right now. So this is the software I personally use for my own business and to my clients' business to deliver their services, which is called Go High Level. And this is where we build the website. We have funnels, we have calendar booking, we have invoicing, we have backend automation, AI employee, AI chatbot, missed call text back, everything you need to sell to your clients, we have this inside this software. And yes, if you want to use this software, I do have a 30-day free trial link. Link is in the description. So this is what we usually do. Go inside the website template, click continue. And this is where you get to have a bunch of different websites. For example, let's preview this real estate attorney. And as you can see, this is a well-built and good-looking website. It's not just some clanky template. This Go High Level used to have lots of clanky templates back in the days, but now everything is polished and everything is a proper website, which agency will charge them anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000, and you are giving them this exact website for free. And you're just going to change the logo. If they want them to change their images, that's it. That's all you have to do, and that's not going to take more than 5 minutes. And connecting the domain name, you can get help of Go High Level experts who can help you for free to connect the domain name and connect all the automation on the back end. And that's how simple it is to deliver the service. And let me explain now how and why they end up with us for a long term. For this, we're gonna see 2 different business models, and I'm gonna explain why our business model is the best. So first of all, let's look at our usual suspects, which we can make a lot of money in the beginning, like $2,000 to $5,000 in monthly. But it's not churn proof. You will have to do lots of outreach and you'll get clients, and probably you'll lose those clients on the first month or the second month. You have to do this all over again. For example, SMMA. Yes, SMMA can bring you a lot of money every single month, but you have to think about the ad spend from your clients, and you're just gambling the first few months because you will even it's not even possible to break even on the first month. And even if you did break even, the clients will be asking, I paid you $2,000 and I paid $2,000 on the ads, and I didn't make any money. I lost $4,000. Where's the proof of this thing working for my business? your client will not know that this is how everything works. You have to test lots of ads, and only then after a few weeks or few months, it's gonna show up lots of revenue. But you can't really explain this to each and every client you're signing up. They only look at the money they spent and the money they've got this month. So you're gonna lose this client probably this month or the next month. Custom websites. Yes, you can build custom website. You can get 2,000 this month. What if you didn't get any clients the next month? So you will not make any money, and you still have to look for clients every single month. Freelancing. You can take any service delivery. Freelancing, again, the same thing. You have to sit and outreach every single day, every single month if you want to scale. And this is not a good way to, when you're trying to scale your business past 10K. Yes, you can do it. But if you are thinking about business or making money as a tool to have a proper life, then this is not a good way. You can make money, but your life will be miserable. For example, look at me. Right now, I am in Bali. If I started doing SMMA, custom website, or freelancing, I will not have any time for myself to enjoy my life. The main reason I went into online business is to have a life where I can live and make money at the same time, not the other way around. And yeah, if you did a good job, for example, custom website, if you did a really good job, you still lose client. And if you did a bad job, you lose client and you lose all the money you made from these clients. Now let's see our business model, which is the monthly recurring revenue. Unlike the other way, you can't really expecting each client to pay like $1,000 or $2,000 every single month, but we can have the 97 to 497 on a monthly fee, and you can upsell the clients for a 97 setup fee. And this is how it goes. It's a really simple system, and I'm not going to go deep in this video. It's just overall features, what we can sell, how we can get clients. And let's see, this is the simple system. We are selling them AI website and an AI receptionist on the back end. We have the calendar booking so that people can not just look at the website, they can just go inside the website and book a service with your clients. AI reviews to rank them higher on Google My Business page, where they don't have to pay for ads to rank them higher. So if your client is ranked higher on Google My Business page organically, for example, if you're looking for a coffee shop and you are searching coffee shop near me, will you go go with the shop who has 55-star review or the 3-star review? The 55-star review. And this is what we help our clients with Go High Levels AI review, reputation management. And we can help them set up the invoice and a conversation bot on the website. And these all things will be helpful for your client to get more customers on their business. And the main reason they stay with us for a long time is that they don't have to deal with anything by themselves. They have everything we have set it up inside our gray label software, Go High Level software, which they will be getting for free. And with this mobile app, they can monitor everything, all the conversation, all the bookings, all the invoices, literally everything from SMS, Instagram messages, or email. Since we are making their life really easy and we are saving them a lot of time and money, they will end up staying with us for a long time. Just like I showed you my Stripe account. The client was staying with me from August of 2024. It's almost 2.5, like this is the third year of this client working with me. And since we have given them a free website and set this all automation on the back end, which is just going to cost them 97 to 497, it's not a big deal. If you gave all these values upfront, they will not think about the money that much. And if you want to go into high ticket sales with these clients, since you already have set up all these stuff, which is actually helping them, they will trust you even more. And only then you go in for high ticket systems like paid ads. Now this makes sense. We have the systems to bring in all the clients and turning all the leads into paying customer, and then we can go for the paid ads. And then we can set up the SEO, like doing monthly blog posts. And then we can do social media posting, do lots of graphics for them, taking care of their social media and getting paid like $500 to $1,000 a month on this, where you don't have to do anything. We also have Go High Levels social media planner where AI can create the images and post the images. You just have to prompt it and automate it just for once. That's all you have to do. And that's the difference between our way and the normal, usual way. You will make money, yes, and also you will lose that money. If you promise your clients that you're gonna bring them more customers and you're getting the payment on that promise, you're breaking the promise and they're end up being leaving you with the money. So by the end of the day, you will be broke and depressed. And this is another way. Think about this. If you're pitching a free stuff, people like free stuff. And if you're pitching a free website and then setting up everything, and no way in hell they want to leave the ecosystem, which is actually helping them to get more customers and get more clients. And another thing is, even if they're not seeing any results on their first few months, they don't want to do these like setup all over again. And if they want this setup with another agency, I'm 100% sure none of them will go for free setup, for free website and the free setup. We are only charging them the hosting and we're not charging them the free website or the setup. Free website, it took you 5 to 10 minutes. And all the setup, you can ask your Go High Level experts. They will set up everything for your clients. And you don't have to pay anything for this guy. So he's literally working for you totally for free. And that's their job. We're not scamming them. That's their job to help us to keep on using the software. That's how simple it is. And you have to listen to me. It's simple. It's not easy. And I know we didn't talk about the client acquisition method, and I'm not showing everything on my YouTube because I don't want to ruin my own business. The thing I'm explaining you right now is what I do for my own business. So if I started showing my entire strategy, I'm not going to get clients, or you're not going to get clients if everyone started to do the same thing. So you can find everything inside my community. How I get clients, how I book the meetings, and how I upsell them for the $1,000 website and the hosting fee. And you can find literally everything, and you can do everything by yourself with the help of all the systems and templates I've built inside the community. Or if you want personalized help from me to set up everything from scratch and help you get your first client as quick as possible in the first week. If you want it, you have all those links down in the description. And if you want my personal help, you can click on the first link in the description, book an onboarding call. And if I can feel like I can help you, we can start working together and I'll help you get your first client in less than 1 week. I hope you got some values out of this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.